Here in this video I am going to show you how to make a stylus at home. Here I am going to use a whiteboard marker. It's just dried out and I haven't used it for a long time, so I think I should use this. And of course you can see it's a metal body, and it's quite important to be metal body, as the charge in our body should conduct through this metal body and to the nip, so that it makes a complete circuit. So here you can see we have to dismantle this marker, and now we have to pull it out with this knitter. And you can use anything, you can use pen and other things. Just pull it out, and now we need something metallic. Here, to make this complete circuit from this body to this nip, I am going to use copper wire. Here I have already collected copper wire. You can use this type of wire and use pliers to pull it out. I have already pulled out. So here you can see we have to curl up this thing, because if we put this, you can see some kinds of solenoid. It always touched the inner surface. It's important. I'm not sure, but you can hear the sound. It will say if it is going to work or not. You don't need to be crafty, just put it so that it makes a complete circuit. Okay, I'm not good at this thing. I'm just clumsy. What is happening? Okay. Oh no. Another thing we have to do. We have to make a hole at this part. So we are using this thing again. Okay. I think it's a good hole. It will work. Okay. Now put it in this hole. I think it will work good. Now the important part. It should conduct, but I am not satisfied. To make this good, okay, curl up as much as you can. I think that's okay. Yeah. Okay, you can hear the sound. So it's the final formation of our stylus. One thing I want to say here, you may ask that the nib is large. Why the nib is so large? But it's important. It should have a surface area so that it will actually work on a capacitive screen. So I have to test it now. By the way, another thing I want to say here, the nib should always be wet, because if it's not wet then it won't conduct. So every time I will use this, I will rinse it in water. Okay, that's enough. So I think it's gonna work. Okay, I have a okay, here I will test it in this mobile. So this is your stylus and you can easily make it at home, and thank you.